All right, y'all, it is Friday, June 6th, and judging by my sneakers app, we got another SB dropping tomorrow. As you guys can see on the screen, we have the Nike SB Dunk Low Pro Hayley Wilson Court Purple joints for $140. And one of the things I've been wondering is the SB hype done? Because y'all remember, hey, even outside of just even SBs, the dunk hype was crazy. But when it comes to this sneaker, are you guys really feeling it? Y'all know I gotta bring them to you early. Today we're gonna be unboxing, reviewing, and talking about the Nike SB Dunk Low Hayley Wilson joints. Is this gonna be a must cop for you guys? And how are these things gonna do? Will they sell out? Let's talk about it. Hey, what's poppin', everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Truth, and today we're going to be doing a semi-early look because they do drop tomorrow. As you guys are watching this video, it's most likely going to be Friday, and they do drop Saturday at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on the sneakers app for a retail price of $140. Now, I want to show you guys what this sneaker look like. These are a little bit different. They got some nice little features to it, all that blah, blah, blah. But before we get off into this content and unboxing, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button for your boy. I would greatly appreciate it. Now, I have been posing the question to a lot of people, fellow sneakerheads, people I chit chat with and stuff like that. Is the Nike SB Dunk or even the Nike Dunk hype dead? I feel like the Nike original Dunks, just not the SBs, are. But it's gonna take a special SB for it just to skyrocket and change the game like it did with the chunky dunkies and stuff like that. I think those times are gone, and I don't think this is gonna be that sneaker. But that's gonna be up for you guys to decide, and that's why I'm gonna bring you guys this review. So let's go ahead and start with the box. So when we talk about this box, it's going to be a typical Nike SB box, as you guys can see right here, the purple box. You feel me? You guys can see the size tag. Shout out to my guy Kevin. He was able to let me review these things early. I'm able to get them early because the skate shops actually dropped them like Monday or Tuesday, and then the Nike's official drop is going to be tomorrow. So that's how we was able to get them early. But as you guys can see right here, size 9. Go ahead and pause the video if you need to legit check your pair. SB box, like I said, as you open up this box, this one is a little bit different. You got your typical SB paper, but they did come in this aluminum foil type Ziploc bag, as you guys can see right here. This is what the sneakers came in, and the reason why that is because they do have that technology, that glow technology. You got the SB sticker that comes in them, and a quality control sticker in this box somewhere in there. Quality control sticker gonna be right there. You feel what I'm saying? So, but like I said, they did come in this plastic bag, and that's because they are being preserved a little bit, because behind this Nike swoosh right here, that piping actually glows whenever the sunlight hit it, black light hit it, or something like that. So that is the unique feature of this thing. Is that gonna be crazy enough to allow people to make them want to spend a little extra bread for them? Nope. I highly doubt it. But I'm gonna keep it a buck with you guys. This is gonna be a review based on the aesthetic of the sneaker. I don't know who Hayley Wilson is. What? Pretty sure she's a pretty dope skater and good at what she does. Otherwise, she would not have a collab with Nike SB. And I didn't do my Google, so it is what it is. But anyway, starting with this shoe, as you guys can see right here, this is going to be the left shoe. You have a predominantly court purple colorway, and it's like a rich, plush, suede nubuck type material right here. I want to say it's a nubuck material, as you guys can see along the toe box and stuff like that. Really good material. Toe box leather is decent, man, as you guys can see, going all the way up. The tongue is going to be a black tongue, and then you have that Nike SB patch, a little bit unique patch. It's going to be in like that light blue colorway. Purple laces that does come with a couple of other sets of laces. I'm going to show you guys that right now. You have, like I said, the stock purple laces that comes in there. You have this like light lilac color, and then you have this baby blue, university blue color. I'm gonna go with that university blue. I think it'll pop in that sneaker, as you guys can see. Super dope in my opinion. If this was my sneaker, that's what I would be going with, right? All right, keep going. We got black sock liner on these things. You got your typical SB tongue, super thick. Behind the tongue, it does say, what it say? It says, "You reckon," as you guys can see right here, but behind the tongue, as you guys can see right there. Black sock liner, as we hit on these things, on the inner side of the shoe, you do have that black Nike swoosh. And like I said, behind the Nike swoosh, on this side, And on the outer side of the sneaker is going to be a purple like glow color based on the sunlight and the black light that hits it. On the back end, you do have Nike behind that baby blue, kind of like a barbed wire type things as we go into right here. And that booty looking real nice with that nice, again, plush nubuck purple on there, court purple with the white outsole. And then on the bottom, we do have a translucent bottom on these things. Got a little logo here, pictures here, a little bit of designs on that one. And the other one looks a little bit different. They kind of just like offset it. So as you guys can see here, the mask here and the mask down there, and then the pop signs or whatever on here, and then the court purple in the middle. As far as it goes, the shoe trees is just going to be this paper. I'm going to show you guys the insoles in them because the insoles are a little bit different. They do have a design on the insole. Like I said, paper shoe tree on both of them. Insoles are going to look like, all right, insoles are going to look like this. Got a little bit of font, little designs on them, as you guys can see right here. One of them does say Hayley Wilson right there on the bottom with the scorpion right there. And then, like I said, a little bit of extra designs up there. And then the other one has SB with some designs like a rose, spider web and all that stuff right there. So those are going to be your insoles, typical SB insoles, so you can get the same comfort. All in all, in my opinion, not a bad sneaker. Resale kind of went down from what it was after we got these SB drops at the skate shops. I don't think that this is going to be a sneaker that people are going to be paying crazy amount of money for, to be honest with you. I feel like if you're going to want this sneaker in the bigger sizes, I'm going to say you can probably get this sneaker for right around $180 after taxes and fees once everything dries up. It might even be lower than that, but if you're going for that size 9 and lower, I think you'll be able to get this sneaker for retail, man. I don't see it doing crazy numbers. I don't know the official stock number. It's not that many, but I've heard a lot of people say that they got those court purple SBs, that they don't actually need these. But y'all comment down below. Let me know. What are your thoughts and opinions? Is this a sneaker that you guys feel like that y'all got to have in your collection? Yes or no? Did they execute very well on these things? Let me know who Hayley Wilson is, man. Educate your boy. I don't mind. Comment down below. But that's all I got for y'all. Let me know if this is going to be one that you guys pick up. Y'all already know the sayings, man. Rock what you like, never type. Remember, everything we talk about, including these shoes, just bake. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm going to catch y'all in the next video. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got two, never slack on the route for OGs in the